Morning to everybody. So as you can tell from this voice, I've got issues. It is highly likely that during this time on stage here or the next time I will be making noises that sound like sneezes or coughs. I apologize. It's not pretty, but it's likely to happen. So at one point when we were getting ready for this, Anil said to me, last year Jonathan did a great job pumping people up and you got up on stage and took them right back down. So you can see how we talk about these things. That wasn't necessarily feedback from you, but maybe it was. So I thought this year I'd try something different. You have my slides. I agree with him. Okay, maybe we'll go into it just a little deeper, but we do agree. We share an office for a good reason. So one of the things that I like to do, and most of you that know me know that when I talk about our financial business model, I like to do it in the context of the broader, longer term, where we have been and where we're going, not just where we are today. So we're not going to spend a whole lot of time going back into history and go through where we were, but we do have some FY06 numbers in there and some baseline data for you to look at as we look at some of the slides. More importantly, about 20 months ago, we laid out a plan, a 3-year plan, and we made pretty clear what some of our goals were. That we're going to create a vastly improved income statement with a lot more operating leverage, and to use the liquidity that we have and generate to improve our returns and shareholder returns and to grow the business. And we were pretty clear about what some of those goals and milestones were and how you should measure us. And Don's going to cover this a bit as well. For the most part, we have done exactly what we said we're going to go do.
During the course of today's presentations, we'll be making projections and other forward-looking statements regarding expected future financial results and business opportunities. Our actual future results may be very different from our current expectations. We encourage you to read the 10Ks and 10Qs that we file periodically with the SEC. These documents contain a discussion of the risks facing our business, including factors that could cause these forward-looking statements not to come true. We do not currently intend to update these forward-looking statements. In addition, during the course of the conference, we may describe certain non-GAAP financial measures, which should be considered in addition to and not in lieu of comparable GAAP financial measures. For the most directly comparable GAAP financial measures and related reconciliations, please refer to the slides posted on the Sun Analyst Summit 2008 page and the earnings call financial slides and operations analysis, all of which can be found on the investor relations section of our website at sun.com/investors.